Greetings everyone, welcome back to another video. Just coming back from the shops, buying all the ingredients for the upcoming meals. Purchasing ingredients for upcoming meals in advance offers several advantages that can enhance your cooking routine and overall well-being. It helps me in planning when cooking. It also saves time by planning the meals and buying ingredients ahead of time. You reduce the need of frequent grocery shopping, trips, and daily decision making about what to cook. This trimmed approach allows more efficient meal planning preparation during busy days also. It also decreases stress, knowing that you have all ingredients needed for upcoming meals. Alleviates the daily pressure of meal preparation decisions and leading to more relaxed cooking experiences. Again, it promotes healthier eating. Having pre-planned ingredients on hand encourages the preparation and balanced, more home-cooked meals, reducing reliance on processed foods or takeout. You will be saving money there. This approach supports healthier eating habits because you will be making your own food, knowing what to add, what not to add. Again, it reduces food waste. Planning meals in advance helps you to purchase only the necessary ingredients, minimizing the likelihood of food spoilage and waste. This is not only conserves resources but also promotes environmental sustainability. I know it can be overwhelming, especially if you are responsible for shopping for the family groceries, as you have to balance their nutritional needs and their likes and wants as well as your budget. Here is the tip that I would like to give you, or should I say advice. Learn to read labels. This puts power into your hands as you are able to identify yourself what a food contains in the ingredients list, as well as a nutritional profile of that food product. Thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting. I would like to know what you think about today's meal. Kindly subscribe for more tips on cooking, shopping, and all sorts. Have a good one. Also, don't forget to let me know what you think in the comment section and what you would like to know. I'll kindly help for that.